In 2025, cheap hosting is no longer enough, and Hostinger steps into the spotlight offering speed, stability, and value in a single package. But is it really worth your money? Today we're breaking down the truth without any sugarcoating. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. This is Gulfam Hamza, and in this video I'm giving you a complete, honest review of Hostinger, a platform widely trusted by beginners, freelancers, and even professional developers. We'll explore its pricing, performance, H-panel interface, WordPress speed, security system, and the real pros and cons you should know before making a decision. Let's begin with pricing. Hostinger offers three main plans: single web hosting for complete beginners, premium web hosting for users who want multiple websites, and business web hosting for maximum performance in online stores. The premium and business plans include a free domain, free SSL, free email, weekly backups, and unlimited bandwidth, making Hostinger one of the best value-for-money hosting options in 2025. Now let's talk performance, the part that truly defines any hosting. Hostinger uses light-speed servers combined with LS cache, which gives you faster loading times, smooth WordPress performance, and naturally higher Google page speed scores. According to recent tests in 2025, the average response time is around 180 to 220 milliseconds with an uptime of 99.95%. In simple words, your website loads quickly, stays accessible, and keeps your visitors engaged instead of letting them wait. One of Hostinger's biggest advantages is its custom control panel called H-panel. Unlike the usual C-panel, H-panel is clean, modern, and extremely beginner-friendly. Inside it, you can manage domains, create email accounts, install WordPress, restore backups, access the file manager, manage SSL, adjust PHP versions, use AI tools, and make DNS changes with ease. It's designed so well that even new users feel comfortable immediately. For WordPress users, Hostinger performs exceptionally well. You get LS cache integration, one-click WordPress installation, automatic updates, staging support, Cloudflare options, and built-in security configurations. This creates an environment where WordPress websites load fast, run smoothly, and stay optimized whether you're running a simple blog or a full online store. Security is another strong point for Hostinger. You get free SSL, weekly or automatic backups, DDoS protection, malware scanning, a firewall, and two-factor authentication. It silently guards your website around the clock, offering peace of mind without requiring constant attention. Customer support is available 24/7 through live chat, and the team is generally quick, helpful, and well-trained. Their knowledge base also provides step-by-step tutorials that make the learning curve easier for beginners. Before wrapping up, here are the real pros and cons. The pros include excellent speed, free domain and SSL, affordable plans, a beginner-friendly H-panel, great WordPress performance, and 24/7 live chat support. The cons are higher renewal prices, the absence of phone support, and no C-panel for users who prefer it. So, is Hostinger worth it in 2025? If you're a beginner, a student, a blogger, or a small business owner, Hostinger gives you strong performance, stability, and a very easy interface at a low price. For WordPress users especially, it's one of the best and most practical choices. If you want to check it out, the link is available in the description where you can get a special discount.